Yes, check in, my beautiful people. It's a great day, you know? Yeah, it's a great day, different adventure, you know, it's a road vlog today, you know, guys? Yes, so today, we're in Hertfordshire. Yes, man. Kingston Spring Road. Yeah, man, so check out and see what I go and check out. Yeah, man. Yes. As I can see, Central Avenue, guys. Yes, man. Traffic busy today, guys. Traffic busy. Just stay along with me. Try along and see what's going on. Yeah, man, it's a sunny morning, guys. The sun weather turn up. Yeah, my babes. The sun weather turn up. So here you can get a lot of things to purchase, guys. Yeah, man, in this place you get a lot of things you can purchase. So stay along with me today, guys, through the journey, you know? Yeah. Come like the rain is coming down now at any time, you know, guys. Yeah, man. So over there we have the Texaco gas station. Yeah. Yeah, me have to wait to cross, you know, people. Bengi, man. Yeah, we are come crossing that South Avenue now. See how them bike boy they do it, peeps? Then I take time with the road, master. Yeah, my peeps. A lot of things that take place. Watch and see what go on. That is it. It's true, it's early now, guys. Why you don't see most people, you know? Yeah, man, it's true, it's early now. Yes, vibes, massive family. Checking again, you know? Yeah, so we are getting ready to go at the bus stand. Yeah, man, checked out.